Look at Luna. She's just hanging out. Watch him, Luna. Watch him. What's up, guys? Jaybird Source. We're back. Another day of the van build. Today we're gonna do the wall insulation on this wall right here, out of this pink insulation that looks like the Pink Panther dude. We're gonna use him, and that's why we have long sleeves, because it says that it'll make you itchy. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna use this wood that we use for the flooring, because wood is ridiculously expensive right now, and we're gonna reuse this wood because we still have a bunch of it left. So let's get to it. We are using our new tools. Thank you, Uncle Rob, because we know you're gonna watch this video. The tools are being used. This is the first time. Watch. Is your job easier now? Alright, now we have to put this board up to this wheel well right here so that we can attempt to trace out the wheel well and then cut that piece out. Because, you know, can't move the wheel. Dead battery. We were messing with it in the house, that's why it didn't just die that fast. Got the Pink Panther insulation in. It's in there, so we're gonna cover it, and we won't have to see it again. It's not the prettiest, but you know what? We're not professionals, okay? So hopefully it'll just keep us warm and cool in the summertime, and that's all we're hoping for. Alright guys, so we finished the wall for right now for the wood that we have. We cut little slats right there because that's where the air conditioning is, behind it. So we figured it probably gets warm back there, and there were slots when we pulled it out. So, just little slots. It works. And now we are starting with the bed frame, and we're starting by cutting these 2x4s into 12-inch pieces.
How many?
10 of them, according to my diagram. My beautiful diagram, in which I am an artist for. We're gonna cut 2x4s into 10 pieces of 12-inch legs for the bed, basically. Yeah, the sun's quickly going down, so we're using it while we can. And also, we don't really like to be out here when the sun's down, because we don't want to be rude to our neighbors. So
okay, well, Jaybird had to go to work, and I stopped for some lunch. We are going to, or I am going to, try to finish this bed before she gets home. Well, that's her, baby. It's not gonna hurt you.
So we're almost done with the bed. Currently, Corey's trying to make bigger holes so that these washers and bolts don't stab our back while we're sleeping like the princess in the pod. See, we're trying to get it so that it doesn't, it has a space for those little bolts to go. Moment of truth.
Hell of a lot better than what it was, that's for damn sure. That's good.
Are we done? Did we finish our bed?
For now, yeah.
What was that? Still can't believe those tires made it all the way from El Paso or Alamogordo because they are bare. Like, there is no tread. Abraham Lincoln will not see his face, or he will see his face. You will definitely see Abraham Lincoln's face if you put the penny up to those tires. Hello.
You moving into this van?
Yeah, once our lease is up here.
Really?
Yeah. We're gonna go travel around and see family and stuff.
Okay.
We figured why not? We're only young once.
There you go.